In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Character.ai. If you're new to it, Character.ai is a platform where you can chat with and create AI characters. We'll walk through the email sign-up process, keeping it simple and secure so you can start in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Character.ai and press Enter. In the results, look for the official Character.ai website. It should clearly show the brand name and take you to their homepage. Avoid ads or lookalike links. Opening the official site is important for your privacy and security. Once you're on the Character.ai page, you'll see options to continue with Google or Apple. Those are convenient, but today we'll use the email option so this works for anyone, regardless of your device or accounts. Select the option to sign up with email. Carefully type your email address, making sure there are no typos. Use an email you can access right now because the platform will send you a one-time sign-in link. When you're ready, click Continue. Keep this browser tab open while you go to your inbox. Now, check your email for a message from Character.ai. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and also check your spam, junk, or promotions folders. If you still don't see it after a short while, you can return to the site and request the link again. This magic link is how you'll confirm your email and log in without a password. Open the email and click the button that says Login to Character.ai. Your browser will open a new tab or return to the site and sign you in automatically. If the link says it's expired, just go back and send yourself a fresh one. Next, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. This is used to confirm you meet the platform's age requirements and to personalize your experience. Enter it accurately, then continue. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to agree to the terms, set basic preferences, or complete a quick setup. Read each prompt, make your selections, and confirm. That's all you need to finalize your account. You're done. You've created your account with email. You can now explore characters, start chats, or create your own. A quick tip: consider bookmarking the site so it's easy to return, and keep an eye on your inbox for any security notices. Enjoy exploring Character.ai, and I'll see you in the next video.